Here is the latest I just did today. I just got a couple of new little heart molds. This one is terminated quartz and a little red back. That's aluminum. This one turned out super great. That's little crackle quartz, colored crackle quartz in there. That one was a cute, fun one to take out of the mold. And then here's a dragon. This one is Botswana agate and ghost quartz. In here, you can see the sparklies on that. Here is a garnet, dragon head, and rose quartz. And this is my first pyramid I've done since I started up again. This is prehnite and black obsidian. And lots of aluminum and brass in here, and then some quartz chunks on the bottom. So yeah, that's the latest.